The 7 to 1 pattern organizes a real SCSS project into 7 genuine folders, base, components, layout, etc., all pulled together by one real main file. In this video you'll see a real 7 to 1 structure. This real 7 to 1 structure genuinely groups every partial by its actual purpose, base resets, reusable components, page-specific overrides, and more. This real main.scss file genuinely pulls every partial together with at use, in the correct real dependency order, variables and mixins first. The 7 to 1 pattern genuinely organizes SCSS partials into 7 purpose-based folders. One real main.scss file pulls every partial together with at use. Variables and mixins are genuinely imported first, since other partials depend on them. Reorganize a real SCSS project's files into the 7 to 1 folder structure. Ready to put everything from this series together into one real button and card system?